Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. I am using Chrome, but you can use any other browser you prefer. Next, search for Adobe support in the search bar. Click on the official website, which should be helpx.adobe.com. Once you're on the website, you'll see the dashboard. Scroll down until you find two options: Ask the Community or Contact Us. Click on Start Now, which will open a new window. In this new window, you'll see a message box where you need to select Try or Buy an App. After entering the text, it will ask you, "Tell me more about what you need help with." Next, copy and paste the following message into the chat. I would like to have a trial version of Adobe Premiere Pro to evaluate how the software works before making a purchase. Here are my account details. Now, enter your email address where you'd like to receive the trial access. I'm entering my own email address, but make sure to use yours. This will make it easier for Adobe to provide you with the trial access. Once you've entered the details, simply click Send. After sending your request, you'll be prompted to choose the categories that describe the best your request. Choose Try or Buy New Plans or Apps. Next, click on Yes, Chat with an Agent. The chat will connect you to an Adobe support agent. Once connected, paste the same message again to request the trial version. The agent will guide you through the process and grant you access to download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial. And that's it! That's how you can download the Adobe Premiere Pro trial for free in just a few simple steps.